At first, when I got the diagnosis of osteoarthritis, I felt devastated.
Having osteoarthritis can feel like a burden, holding you back from living an active life. Too often, individuals aren't provided enough information to truly understand it. Welcome to Rethinking Osteoarthritis. In this program, we will offer important insights into what it means to have osteoarthritis, to exercise with osteoarthritis, and to use the power of your mind and your body. Throughout this program, we will introduce you to world-leading experts in orthopedic surgery, osteoarthritis, physical activity, and psychology at Stanford University. We will start by breaking down the common view of osteoarthritis as a limiting disease. Then we will rebuild a view of having osteoarthritis as a manageable, even empowering experience.
What I've realized is that just being present for my body and changing what I do according to what I'm able to do has made all the difference. Now I walk in nature with my family, I go to the gym, I strengthen my body in other ways.
The mindset that osteoarthritis is only going to get worse leaves you feeling less motivated to help it get better. But changing to the mindset that osteoarthritis can be manageable or even provide opportunities instead can lead us to build our health and motivate us to engage in helpful action and strategies.
Rather than focusing on the pain during exercise, I try to focus on the good parts. It's improving my fitness, I'm spending time in nature, and I made a choice to be active.
The advice I would give to someone recently diagnosed with osteoarthritis is that it doesn't define them, and to think about it as a new opportunity to try new activities that they might not otherwise have tried.
By the end of this program, we hope you'll have tangible and meaningful ways to cultivate a mindset that supports you. We hope that Rethinking Osteoarthritis will positively impact your experience with osteoarthritis and your life.